Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then you need to select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Over here, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, after that, Automatic Text Correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same Now Gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!